Hi everyone, it's Jack here at Mainskill. So, thanks for watching again. We're on the YouTube. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're going to see how many people we can get subscribing. So it's climbing up, we're going up. We're going to get there. So what Matthew is on with, he's on with rolling the grass. So I've just been tagging calves at the other farm, and I've just come through to see how he's getting on. And here he is. So it's nice down here. He's down by the river. Here he is. He's done one field on the other side. And he's down here, so he's going to fold it out now and show you how it folds out. So it's our Fastrac, but then we've hired these rollers from Caton Farms. The Catons are up the road. When we get on silaging, you'll see them. They'll be doing the chopping once we've mown it off and everything. But we've borrowed their rollers. We just have a little single mower, which we normally use. But time's going on, and we're running out of time, so we're going to crack on and get it rolled. So you can see the good heavy rollers, these. They're Watson rollers, so they fold out 3 in a row and then they'll fold down. So how you saw them at the beginning is how they are for travelling on the road. And then here they are. Now we'll fold them down. There we go. You can see now the rollers are on the floor and the wheels are off the floor. So that's what it does. Lifts them back off the ground, puts that down, that's it, nice and gentle. And there we go. So now he's going to go in a second. And I'm going to get the drone up. So what we do is, the reason you roll the grass is that because through the winter it's been all this rain, it's been a wet winter, and what it does is the soil, because it gets wet, the stones lift up through the soil, they work their way out the ground, and what it is they can be above, and this field here will be for silaging, so that means it'll be to mow off and chop and everything. But the last thing you want is stones on the ground that the mowers are going to hit. And also there's a few moles about this year. Any mole hills, it'll also flatten them all out, so they're not going through the mowers as well, and it just does a good tidy job and tidies it up. So there he goes. I'll get the drone up in a minute and it'll make it nice and stripy. I'll show you this field, I'll show you the field he's done next door, and I don't know which ones he's done up the top, but he has done some up there as well. Well, there we go. It's a nice night, we're down by the river. What more could you want?
I drove around all the
So that's it, the drone has been up. I've took a video of him, he's cracking on with this field. The other field's been done as well, but I don't know how well that's come out, to be honest. We'll have to have a look at that because the sun was bad. So yeah, as I said, we're down by the river. That's right next to the A1 there, that bit. That's what that bridge is, that's the A1. And there goes Matthew. So he's not doing so bad, he's getting on with it. And he seems to be enjoying himself, so that's alright. Good, good. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, press the bell, make sure you get the notifications, and just make sure you tell everyone about them, because we're trying to see how many people we can get. We're not doing too bad, we've only just started with the job, so we'll see how we get on. Thanks for watching.